Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to balance a redox equation without having to figure out which one is oxidation or reduction and without finding any oxidation number at all. Alright, let's start with the first step. We are going to split it. We will separate the equation into parts by looking at the related elements. In this case, we will look at chromium hydroxide will pair up with chromate ion, and the hypochlorite ion will pair up with the chloride ion. Okay, let's write down the first half reaction. Chromium hydroxide turn into chromate, right? And for the other half reaction, hypochlorite becomes chloride. For step 2, we are going to balance the atoms. And then we balance water and hydrogen. Oh, sorry. I mean, we balance oxygen and hydrogen. We will balance oxygen by adding water and hydrogen from adding protons. Okay, first of all, check the main atom to see if they are already equal. After that, we will move on to oxygen and hydrogen. In this case, for both parts, we will split the main atom are already equal, so we can go ahead and balance oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen in this first reaction on the left side, we have 3 oxygen and 3 hydrogen, right? While the right side has 4 oxygen. So let's balance the oxygen first. Now remember that a water molecules has 1 oxygen and 2 hydrogen, right? So we will add water to get more oxygen. Now we have 4 oxygen on both sides, so they're equal. Let's look at the hydrogen with plus with 3 plus another 2 from water. We now have 5 hydrogens on the left. So to balance hydrogen on the right, we will add 5 protons. Now both oxygen and hydrogen are perfectly balanced. The first equation is all set. Okay, now for the second equation, we just balance the oxygen first by adding 1 water to right side, and then we balance the proton on the left, just like before. Now for step 3, we are going to find the total charge and balance it adding uh, uh, adding electron. This our last part for this step, balancing with electron. Let's start with the first reaction. The total charge on the left side is 0. To check the charge of each molecule, just look at the top right. Since there nothing there is 0. As for the product side, chromate has -2. Then we add 5 from the proton, which combine to a total of +3. This side is 0 and that side is +3. Since electrons have negative charge, we will balance them by adding 3 electrons to right side to cancel it out and bring it down to 0. Got it? Now the first equation is clear. Okay, let's move on to the bottom equation. On the left side, the total charge is +1 because we have +2 from the protons and -1 from the hypochlorite, which is equal +1, right? While the right side is -1. If we add electron to right side, the charge will become even more negative. Therefore, we must add them to left side, 2 electron, right? Okay. Because we want to change this +1 charge into a -1 charge, correct? Alright, now we have reached the final step, which is combining the equation step 4. and we will combine them by balancing the electron. We need to check how many electrons are in the first equation and how many are the second equation. We must make the number of electrons in both equations equal. In this case, the top equation has 3 electrons while the bottom one has 2. So we need to find the LCM. And the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, right? Therefore, we will multiply this equation by 2 and multiply this equation by 3, which gives us the new equations. 4 waters, 2 chromium hydroxide, and 2 chromate ion. 10 protons and 6 electrons. As for the bottom equation is 6. The bottom one is 6 electron plus 3 hypochlorite plus 6 proton, yielding 3 chlorides plus 3 waters. Now we are going to combine the first and second equation together, which give us 4 waters to chromium hydroxide plus um, plus 6 electron plus 3 chloride plus 6 proton, and on the other side 2 chromate plus 10 protons. 3 chlorides and 3 water. Now the electrons will always cancel each other out. Let's cancel out what we can. The electron completely cancel out the water molecules. Also subtract from each other, leaving just one water molecule on this side. As for protons, they cancel out to leave 4 protons on the right side. Therefore, the final answer includes just water like this to chromium hydroxide and plus 3 hypochlorite is equal to 2 chromate ion plus 4 proton plus 3 chloride. Finish. Thank you for watching.